me this story? This fucking story. Opia wire eye operation. How can you tell me this story? And here we are now when in the flat. And I you when in the free. Send your plaster and me. I be I'm not here. Muna Jimino.
Madam Marina was say Emma Aquaba and Farmer at the TV so ready Yegusua Edina Kofi Adomah weni any sensem ya ho. Na Afia was nega say ni agye papa say nei Kofi Adomah weni ho e kire ne sa na nyina ye nim say nei Kofi Adomah weni ebe address media na kire say utie ne nkasa yem na ni ba kwere presta ataro na ba kon aka no ntimi kura emma so na ne Ghana for ye we ahoyi ankasa say etie bra Kofi Adomah weni pa ena nei ade aye ne sei na ne Afia nega se na ni age pa fi se emre bi abesin etwamu na deja ebeda social media no so na ne Ghana for twe ne sere ne abasa wo se si bia Kofi Adomah wani esi gigina mu na o make statement bi se che ene de pa se nei Afia nega ne naked picture aba abontensa na enu nti ena mai nei Afia nega eni age na che se wo bose se Kofi Adomah wani enei wono no sresre sika ade akosa ono nani yare na onde oda nyankopon ate se ono ma abonte mesre Ghana ni bia sika se wo pesika bi akosa na ho yare ene ensem bebre ena Afia nega ede tuja yentie bi emra
asma me beken obe me busuafo ya batay ayame na me ye Kofi Adomah show no na me cousin na me man free South Africa buy ever started company DK Aluminium on a sponsor or the local land there. Baby, Kofi Adomah baby, and you know, and just say Ghana you could have a channel. Kofi Adomah pro on hospital Gojichi. And just say and if or new program 1 year, may 1 year, then year fra. One man here the plaster at the time, and you will be all medical field the being him say, and near an operation. Plaster at the time Kofi Adomah, you know, hospital at the time. Because I just had an eye surgery. And to me, the media bachelor, he did worse than that. All because I broke in his statement. Someone jumped in wall. And the band fear about him. Kofi Adomah was granted more than 700 interviews. And so I took my case to God. Me call mama let's take altar so. Na me call mama nye chere nyankopon. And then the yes come out. Make a yansra mami o. Yansra mami. Go back to court. Abokwa was not staying in my house. Or really wall never me fee. Just to attack me. Kofi Adomah was glorifying it. You chose the path of the enemy. I am jubilating because Kwasia plaster neta when you say plaster away. Doctor Ben on the how can you tell me the story? Huh? How can you tell me this story? Say plaster away. Doctor,
you're going to create your very own DIY.
Is this how we plaster an eye which is injured? How can you tell me the story? How? How? We need my main screenshots and I'm here because we will highlight the drama in it and work on it. You can't give me story that is not story. You can't come and buy sympathy from people. I am here going scrutinizing. To me, so scrutinizing. How can you tell me this story? This fucking story. Opia wire eye operation. How can you tell me this story? Plus, oh, lift your phone so drama when I'm the enemy in Koiduma. Doctor and a plaster anyway. My Jiminti near the story we have Bremo. How can you tell anyway plus say na doctor for plaster any? Say na doctor for a plaster any. And here we are now when in the flat. And I you when in the free. Say near plaster any. I be I'm not here. Muna Jimino. How can you tell me the story? I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. I did an eye surgery. You all know, said I share glasses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. That qualified me to wear lens. These are my contact lens. The reason why I don't wear glasses again, I had a problem with my eye, and they need to work on it so that I will qualify to be able to wear contact lenses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. How can you tell me the story?
I was saying, tap send from my was any secret from one another about my gun and tap send. Ever boy, we young Cassa, would you buy an Apple store and as a police store, no Apple download the tap send. I will hold him in process or maybe some code. Now about the Pat TV area show. If you are your transaction, yeah, until she name or ever snama bonus at the account because of the Pat TV at Wabo Eddie Asher on a meeting. Eddie Akosia Boajo me the show sister. Oh, I like it. Share my for any and share Macram.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was saying this cabane de any project no. As to the be a me office kamane wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chinese won't call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the join the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo ubetimi atu susu nkakra. Enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. Anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi use sika e wo wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you use momo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trainer shim. Kofi United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.